Hey guys, welcome to the first Monday, the Myrtleville Monday of Culture Days, our month-long kind of programming videos. So today we're going to do something really fun just in time for Thanksgiving. We're going to do some preserves, so we've got some strawberry jam that we've made and some peach jam as well. Alright, so you can see we've got strawberries ready to go and our peaches ready to go, and follow along to show, to see how we made our jams today. Alright, and we're going to go put these in our pantry at Myrtleville here today, and then you can come see them when you're ready to come for a tour. So we're in the kitchen now, and we've basically taken our strawberries and peaches and we've chopped them up. So you can see my strawberries here are pretty crushed. We've got about 4 cups of strawberries there. So you got to cut them up and then kind of crush them a little bit. The peaches as well, you got to kind of dice them into a smaller size there. You want to make sure that you peel the peaches as well and take the pits out. Alright, so we're going to save the pits and see if we can use them for something else around here. Maybe plant them, because the Good family did actually have peaches on site on the farm. So maybe we'll try planting a few, and maybe we'll try see if it makes a natural dye or something for our yarn and fabric going on. All right. So we're going to take these to our kitchen, the other kitchen, and we're going to put them on the stove. You only need 3 ingredients to make the jam here. So you only need the fruit that you're going to turn into a jam. You need some sugar and you need lemons. All right. So those are our 3 ingredients. We're going to head to the other kitchen and show you what you need to do exactly. All right. So we're in our modern kitchen now with our pots of our preserves still to go, sitting on the stove here. So we've got our strawberries and our peaches ready to go. We've added our sugar to our strawberries. So we've cut up 4 cups of strawberries and added 4 cups of sugar. The sugar is important because you need it to gel to turn into the jam. We also added the juice from 1 lemon, so you just kind of cut it in half, squeeze it over, make sure to pick out any seeds that pop out. And pretty much the same for the peaches. We've got about 8 peaches cut up in here, and we need about 1.25 cups of sugar, and then the juice from 1 lemon as well for that one. Alright, so we're going to put the strawberries on low heat to start off with. And then the peaches we're going to put on medium heat until it kind of boils in and we can crush the peaches a little bit. We're not going to add the sugar to the peaches yet. We're just going to wait till they soften up a bit so they can get a little bit smaller and mushier. Alright, and then we'll add it in. So it's been about 45 minutes since we put these first on. The peach we let simmer with the sugar in it for about 35 minutes, 30 minutes, something like that. Just so it's thick enough so that when you kind of take a spoonful out, it mostly sticks to the side of the spoon. That's kind of what we're looking for there. So that's a good jam look. The strawberry we had to put in the jars as fast as we could. So we had the jars which we had previously washed out and then cleaned out with sanitizer, like a chlorine bleach. So then we put them in the jars. We kept the jars hot in the sink for a while before we put the jam in, just so it wouldn't be kind of a shock to the jars. So these are quite warm still, but yeah, so the strawberry jam is ready to be put in the closet. And now we're going to put the peaches into the jars as well once they've cooled enough. Yeah, they can be kind of cooled down. The strawberries have to be put in hot. And then we're going to, yeah, put them in the preserve room for display. So. Alright, so we finished pickling, or we finished our preserves of jams. So now we're going to just put them in our pantry for now, just to set. And then they should be ready to eat by Thanksgiving, which is in just a couple weeks. Alright, so we'll see you next week on Monday for our next video. We'll be doing some pickling. Just a couple more items like beets and pears and things like that. Alright, so join us then and we'll see you next time.